Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Ruthless Rig. What is back in the building? I know it's been a long time since you guys have seen me. I just don't have much content. I live in a little bitty town where cousins marry each other and not a whole lot's going on. But today we're gonna do another little ride along. I got my cousin with me. His name's Fabian. He has a pretty sweet Chrysler 300. I'll show it to you guys here in a little bit, but he hasn't been in a fast car. I told him he better keep looking because there's no fast cars here, but he is wanting to go on a ride in the Hellcat, so we're gonna take him for a ride. We'll catch his reaction. I'm gonna kind of have him hold the, excuse his hand action, but I'm gonna kind of have him hold the camera like this because my GoPro has died and it was last minute. So we're gonna meet Fabian right now. I'll show you his car, then we'll get a cold start on the Hellcat, and maybe we'll go tear up the streets, man. Hopefully the fuzz don't come find us. We'll see you guys here in a little bit. Peace. And we live, baby. Fabian, this is my cousin Fabian.
Broke boy Bentley right here.
Oh, baby. Show him the features.
Not much to it. Coolest thing on the car. Right here.
All right, we're gonna have to censor that out, but. All right, so this is Fabian. He's gonna be riding with us.
Finally gonna get in a fast car.
Finally, oh, we already said if you're looking for a fast car, you gotta hit up BB. As a matter of fact, this is a guy that, okay, so I'm gonna throw this clip in right here so that way nobody says I didn't post it. Guy lives locally. He has a heads cam Z06 on nitrous, standalone fuel system, C16. We got to run it. I'll put it right here. Go ahead and call the cops. As you can see, it was a murder. It happened on a highway in Mexico. So we're gonna go ahead and take Fabian for a ride. We're gonna go ahead and get a start on the Hellcat, and then we'll see what we can get into. Tell them what you just said, Fabian. It's been a little while. I had a Scat Pack shaker before. Let me roll his windows up real quick. Turn the AC on. I had a Scat Pack shaker before. R.I.P. Scat Williams. But like I said, I don't have my GoPro, so I'm gonna have him hold this sucker right here, get his reaction. We'll see what it's like. I wish I had my GoPro, but this is what we're gonna do. So when I first got the car, it was a whole lot of, well, what did I say, man, to be exact? I was like, I don't even remember. What did I say, man?
Oh, first time I saw him in the car, I was like, hey, man, nice car. Any plans? Oh, no, man, you got to be crazy if you want anything over a 700. Exact words. I was like, oh, that's cool, man.
And here we are, a couple of years later, and I make a cool 750 to the wheels. It wasn't enough, so. Man, if I could get away to hold that stick on there sticky, but we may try and pull. Oh, all right, so Fabian, fastest car you've ever been in?
By far.
Other than this one?
Chris Kennelly before.
Oh. If you guys don't remember Chris Kennelly, I'm gonna put it in right here. So that was Chris. He was on the first installment of Family and Friends React. So the serial killer, look at those beating eyes. But so he took a ride in Chris's V, and that was pretty much the fastest thing he had been in. So yeah. Hopefully this holds up a little bit better. Hopefully he's a little more impressed with this. Let's roll the windows down, catch a little bit of that supercharger. I have to drive it around, let it warm up a little bit. Oh, baby. Do a quick little pull right here on the side of Mexico. Make sure this adjusts. Oh!
Yeah.
Hopefully this baby don't go anywhere.
nearly choked on my gum.
Zoom it all the way out. Oh, shit. Alright,
I'll get rid of that.
Hate to let you be a choking hazard on your boy.
Yeah.
But, jeez Louise, I'm sorry about that.
God damn.
That was barely, I barely gave it any kind of sauce. So, right now we're using the Sony camera, and we just had it strapped on to right here, so that's a no-go, especially this baby's got a fresh coat of ceramic coating or whatever John decided to put in. I think it was Chemical Guys, and charged me for a ceramic coat, or Ceramic Pro. I'll get you, John. I'm gonna get sponsored by
GoPro or no go.
Just a little bit of sauce, just something slight. Golly, I need to find something that'll hold it on there, dude. That other GoPro was sweet.
What happened to it? It's just
It's dead battery.
Oh man.
So, Fabian's never been in a car. Let's see how 750 wheel horsepower feels to him. Ah, damn this traffic, man.
There's Rams right there.
All right, so we're gonna get out to where we're gonna do these pulls, and we'll get back with you here in a little bit. Close us out, Fabian. Are you ready?
Get a good little hit right here.
Oh yeah. Ready?
Yeah. Well, I think so.
1, 2.
Oh my God. Yeah, I've never been anything fast, I guess. No shots to Chris Canelli.
That's just something slight. Cue the Chris face. God damn, we lost traction on that one.
Yeah, I know. I was like, oh, is he gonna get out of it?
Is he gonna get out? Hell no, got more balls than brains. We'll try at 40. I'll just show you a 40. I'll stay in it. I'll let her spin, and then we'll try and bang some gears. Ready, boss?
Yeah. I was like holding my breath.
Oh, he's got long gears. Short gears. Oh man.
Getting a little sweaty and shit.
Yeah, dude. That's the type of speed that'll make your babies be born naked. Oh, speaking of that, you just had a baby, right?
Hey,
Your wife did.
Yeah. Looks like I spit him out though.
So shout out to the man. Oh yeah, she got a little squirrely there for you.
Hell yeah. I was waiting for you to be like, oh no, you know what? We'll get another one.
We'll just get another one.
Ain't that shit.
Gotta grab another one.
Gotta warn me, bro. Feeling the breeze.
Oh man, these are my favorite type of videos because I'm myself and I'm not thinking at what I need to say at 100 miles an hour before I say it. So it's like, I like these types of videos because I'm just myself. Yo, the cops on a 187. We're good. Go, go, go. Oh, I got a little lightheaded, Papa.
Yeah.
Ah, damn. Oh, got a little. What kind of car is this? Action?
A little Camaro.
A little V6. Something light, Fabian.
Are you the one keeping my kid up at night?
Negative. Every time somebody hears like my aunts or somebody, they'll hear like, what? Like I'll be there at my grandma's, they're like, you were out last night, huh? And I was like, no, like I literally, so this is out of the norm. Like I literally don't haul ass in town. It's just, when you got family with you, it's hard to contain yourself, man. Is this Cody Jones? How's it going, brother? Sure is.
Yep.
Look what the Coyote truck in.
Gotta warn me, bro.
Rev limiter, rev limiter.
Camera's about to go out the window.
And there we go.
Yeah.
It's hard because with them skinnies, they don't want to grab the road, so like you get a lot of body roll.
I didn't even notice it.
Yeah, skinnies on the front.
It's a nice car.
Not too bad, not too shabby.
Not a bad way to spend 10 grand.
Look at that, he's got enough knots to blow himself up in there. You're lucky that 50 shot didn't blow the welds on the intake manifold. Come on, dude.
Oh,
Toretto, aren't you a boss, man? Tucking 50 shot? Got dude spraying 250 on accident. Huh?
BB or what? So what's this setup?
It's heads cam, or it's port and polish heads cam. Intake manifold, bigger injectors, standalone fuel system, C16 in it, and then nitrous. That's about it, man. But that thing moves, man. 1,000 pounds lighter is no joke, man. 1,000 pounds lighter is no joke. So this now concludes the flight with Hellcat Enterprises.
I expected it to be fast, but not that fast.
Well, you need to raise your standards.
I'm from Texas.
You need to raise your standards, dude. This is not that fast. It's like when you go to Texas 2Ks where everybody goes that thinks they're fast and gets their front door kicked.
Yeah.
Like, it's a way different ballgame. Alright guys, so that's going to conclude this video. I know it's kind of spontaneous. Me and my cousin were just kind of talking throughout the day. And I ended up telling him, I was like, man, I still haven't taken you for a ride. I was like, so let's get it done. So we made a quick video out of it. I know it's been a while. I don't know when I'll be back. I'd like to say I'd be back sooner, make another video, but it's kind of hard sometimes. So, like I said, I really don't want to just throw out a bunch of crappy quality. I don't want to put out videos. I don't want to put out volume. I want to put out quality, if that makes sense to you guys. So
Quality, not quantity.
quality, not
That's
quantity.
what you're looking for.
That's what I'm looking for, and that's what you guys should be looking for. So unsubscribe these bull crap channels, man. But don't at me. So Fabian, what'd you think, man? Fast? You said fast, but
Yeah.
what kind
Faster
of
than
fast?
what I expected.
Faster than what you expected, but not fast enough.
Oh, my man.
What's up, neighbor? Oh man, my man's don't got a shirt on. This is not kid friendly.
Oh, dude, it's totally kid friendly.
Yeah, man, I do YouTube.
That's what's up, dog.
Yes, sir. Rigo Juarez, man. Go follow me.
You know, I'm gonna show all my friends too. But dude, I'm from Arizona. I got a lot of my friends there.
Oh, I like how we're talking, man. So he's got a lot more friends, Arizona.
Check out the camo cat.
Check out the camo snatch, man.
Camo snap.
Camo cat. It's a Hellcat and it's camouflage, so camo cat.
Camo cat.
Yes, sir.
What's up, dude?
All right, my man, appreciate it. That'll work. Oh, it's on my face.
Another subscriber?
Another subscriber, locked and loaded. He said he's gonna tell his friends. That's what I like to hear. So who do we got over here? Grimy Rhymes up in the cut. What it do, baby? Oh yeah. So Zach actually bought the rims that used to be on the camo cat. So shout out Zach. I'm sorry he had to replace them like ASAP. Yeah. Fix your alignment.
Yeah, 4 runs and they were gone. I did one lap pass and I was like, why is it not sticking? And I went to a gasoline alley to take them off.
Why is it not sticking? Turns out Zach was on rims, man.
It was wired.
So I think that's about all that's happened, and that's about all that's gone on since the last time. That's it for a spontaneous video. Zach Rhymes in the cut, my cousin Fabian in the cut. But that's gonna conclude this video. If you did enjoy this, and if you want to see more every month or so, comment, like, and subscribe. Smash that bell notification if you do want to see, or if you want to be kept up to date when I drop a video. And that's gonna conclude this one, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.